Welcome to 1003 Honeywood Crescent, a 4+1 bedroom, 3-bathroom brick home situated on a quiet, family-minded street in Pickering's Liverpool community. Adding charming curb appeal to this home is a flagstone walkway to a wood front deck, rock gardens with a hydrangea bush and shrubs, as well as a set of Victorian-style screen doors. And beyond these is the main double-door entry opening into a main level showcasing warm and inviting principal rooms with gleaming hardwood flooring throughout. Off the reception hall is a double French door entry into the formal living room, its soft color palette contrasting elegantly with the rich floor shade. Crown moldings add a decorative finishing touch, and light through north-facing windows fills the room, while a wall cutout also maintains an openness with the entrance foyer, which has a beautiful tile floor inlay. Across the hall is the formal dining room, another elegant entertaining space finished with decorative crown moldings and a window cornice, while a gorgeous chandelier casts an ambient glow throughout. The hallway leads into the kitchen and its breakfast area, off of which is the inviting family room, which has wood shutters on its south-facing window, hot lighting, a corner brick fireplace with a wood mantel shelf, and crown moldings as a finishing touch. Featuring a fresh white and blue color palette, the kitchen area has a custom-made buffet and hutch with a stone counter, while the kitchen's cabinetry has crown moldings above and undermount lighting accenting the tumbled marble backsplash. There is plenty of counter workspace as well as a double sink with a gooseneck faucet, and to complete the kitchen is a stainless steel range with smooth cooktop and dual ovens, a built-in microwave, a double-door fridge with bottom mount freezer, and a white dishwasher. The breakfast area has a wall cutout with a wood ledge for an openness with the family room, and through the sliding door walkout is a fenced-in backyard with fruit trees and a large wood deck complete with a gazebo. The main level also features a powder room with a tiled floor and a pedestal sink, a mudroom with vinyl flooring, a walk-in shower, a stacked washer and dryer, as well as access to the garage. While curving to the upper level is a hardwood staircase, its railing and hallway banister accented with white spindles. Hardwood flooring flows throughout the upper hallway into the master bedroom, as well as into the fourth bedroom, which has a large north-facing window for soft natural light and double-sized closet space. The third bedroom also has a north-facing exposure, as well as an oversized double closet, and is carpeted for coziness. A linen closet is conveniently placed outside the 4-piece washroom, which features a tiled floor and an acrylic bath and shower area, and to complete the common area of this level is the second bedroom, which is also carpeted for coziness, has a double closet, and enjoys a south-facing exposure with backyard views. 2 large windows with south-facing exposures flood natural light into the master suite, and this exceptionally private retreat has a ceiling fan, a double-door entry, and its own personal linen closet, as well as a sitting and dressing area between the bedroom space and its combined walk-through and walk-in closet. Beyond the closet is the ensuite, and this relaxing and equally charming washroom features a vanity with double basins and a tumbled marble backsplash, a tiled floor and walk-in shower, wainscoting, and a freestanding tub. To the lower level is a carpeted staircase with hardwood rails, which leads down to a spacious recreation area finished with laminate flooring, pine wainscoting, and pot lighting. Off this space is a carpeted bedroom with an oversized window and a double closet, and this level additionally features an unfinished section that has a workshop area as well as an amazing amount of household storage space. Walking distance to parks, a neighborhood plaza with a grocery store, and William Dunbar Public School, this home is also just a short drive to the Pickering Town Centre Mall, the GO station, and has easy access to Highway 401. And is also close to the shopping, entertainment, and waterfront enjoyment of Pickering's beautiful Frenchman's Bay community along Lake Ontario. Thinking of selling or buying? Call Shiv Bansal at 416-704-7448.